Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. I am going to take the class about constructor and destructor. In object-oriented programming, constructor and destructor are the special method used to initialize and destroy the objects of the classes. What is constructor in Python? Constructor is the special method that is automatically called when the object of the class is created. It mainly used to initialize the object's data members, that is variable. In Python, the constructor method is written in init method. For example, class name, definition, and then new constructor method is created and then parameter passed. Instead the method the class name will pass to the return instance. The constructor run automatically when the object is created. It initializes the object attribute of the object. Its first parameter is always self, which refers to the current objects. In the init method, the method initialize newly create instance and is commonly used to constructor in Python. It is called immediately after the object is created. New methods are responsible for initializing attribute of the instance. Uh, for example, class name, uh, define and init the constructor name, then first pass the self parameter list. Self dot attributes equal to define the values. Next one, types of constructor. Constructor is the special method that is automatically called when the object of the class is created. It is used to initialize the data member of the class. In Python, constructor are defined using method init. There are mainly two types of constructor in Python: default constructor and then parameterized constructor. Default constructor is the code does not take any parameter except self. It initializes the object when the default values simply perform the basic initialization. When an object is created, the default constructor is automatically called. It can initialize the variable default value, display the message. Next one, parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor is the accept the parameter. These parameters are used to initialize the object with the specific values. When creating an object, value are passed to the constructor, which are then the assigned to the object's attributes. In future, accept the argument along with self used to initialize the object with different values. Provide the flexibility in the object creation. Next one, destructor in the Python. Destructor in Python is a special method that is automatically called when your object is destroyed or deleted. It mainly used to perform cleanup the operation such as releasing the resource, closing the file, or freezing the memory used by the object. In Python, destructor method is defined using underscore underscore del underscore underscore. Del method is called automatically when an object is no longer needed or when it is explicitly deleted. It used to perform final cleanup takes the before the object is removed from the memory. Destructor does not require explicit call in the most cases because the Python automatically invokes it during the garbage collection. And then destructor call when object get destroyed, when object or need such much of C++ because Python or garbage collector handle the memory management automatically. The delete method is no destructor method in Python. It is called when the object reference to the object can be deleted when the object is garbage collected. For example, definition and def keyword underscore underscore del keyword underscore underscore we passing the parameter default parameter is self, the body of the constructor. Destructor in Python, when object is object created, the constructor underscore underscore init underscore method is executed. When the object is deleted using del object, the destructor underscore underscore del underscore is automatically called. Destructor perform cleanup operation before the object is removed from the memory. For example, class class or class name is employee. Initialization for def init the self method. Print just employee data is created, and then delete method is used. The destructor called employee deleted. In the output is created. First one employee is created and destructor called employee deleted. Thank you.